Here is how to sign up on Axra in less than 2 minutes. Open your Axra app, click next or skip, and proceed to create an account. Select your country of residence and select how you would like to use your Axra. Tap proceed, fill in your personal details to create your account, and an OTP is going to be forwarded to your email to verify. Input the OTP forwarded to your email, select verify. An account will be created for you. Set up your password and PIN. Select your home screen and proceed to KYC verification. Fill in the required details, including BVN, selfie, NIN, and proceed to submit. Upon submission, your details will be reviewed and your account will be verified. And that is how to sign up on Axra in less than 2 minutes. Welcome to Axra.